Hi, how are you today? I'm Jeff Wecker, CEO of Global FX Trading Group with offices in Chicago and London. And today I'm talking to you from my office outside our main trading room in Chicago. As you may know, Global FX is a recognized leader in providing services to FX traders around the world, particularly in funding, in education, personal coaching, automation tools, robots, and virtual trading rooms. For the last year, we've been running the Global FX Virtual Trading Room in Chicago, and that is moderated by Steve Kruse, our FX pro and psychology major as well. This group has grown to a few hundred people and consists of newbies and experienced traders as well. We've recognized that the needs of those two groups are different, and so we're going to leave the Global FX trading room the way it is. It'll be free for less experienced traders, but for the more experienced, we're creating the Strategic Access Group. The people in the Strategic Access Group will be getting three things. One, you'll be getting access to Steve Kruse's news plays. Okay, he sets these up 15 minutes before the news using relative strength and some other technical tools of his. He does them in real time and with great success. About 85% win rate, making anywhere from 30 to 150 pips in minutes. The second thing you're going to get is free use of Forager. That's our set it and forget it automation tool, where you enter the trades and you're off to the beach or the golf course. It enters the trades for you and manages them and exits as well. And you can, you get some sleep, which is kind of necessary. I mean, Warren Buffett always told us that if you don't make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. The third thing you get are access to my pivots from my FX pivot algo system I've been using for 5 years very successfully. It finds exact prices from which a good move is going to happen, about 85% of the time. On day trades, 30 to 75 pips. On swing and long-term trades, probably 100 to 600 pips. So these three things that you're going to get in the Strategic Access Group will be very useful and helpful to you in your daily trading. So you can join right here, and we hope you will. We look forward to seeing you in the group, and happy trading.